In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly integrate UPS with your Shopify store. This process will help streamline your shipping operations, ensuring timely deliveries and improving customer satisfaction. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Shopify admin page by logging into your store's backend. Once you're on the My Shopify home screen, you're in the central hub where you manage everything from products to orders. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already accustomed. Now, let's move forward by adding a new app to your store. Locate the Add button, which you will find on your Shopify dashboard. It's commonly placed in a visible spot for easy access, helping you quickly enhance your store's functionality. Clicking this button will lead you into the expansive world of Shopify's app ecosystem, where you can find tools to improve every aspect of your business. In the next step, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify App Store. You can do this by simply clicking on the link labeled Shopify App Store. This store is filled with various apps that cater to different needs, from marketing integrations to customer service enhancements, making it a critical resource for any Shopify store owner. Once you're in the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to look for the UPS app. Just type UPS into the search bar and press Enter. The search function in the Shopify App Store is robust, so finding the app you need is typically a straightforward task. If you ever have difficulty, ensure your spelling is correct, as minor errors can sometimes affect search results. When the search results appear, look for an app that handles UPS shipping solutions. You want to make sure this app is compatible with your store's needs. It's always wise to spend a few moments reviewing the app's details, checking reviews, and ensuring its features align with what you aim to achieve. Once you are satisfied that this app fits your requirements, click on it to proceed. Finally, you'll arrive at the app's main page where you'll see the Install button. Click this button to integrate the UPS app into your Shopify store. The installation process will automatically begin, and soon enough, you'll be prompted to authorize the installation. Make sure to review the permissions requested by the app and ensure you're comfortable with them before completing the authorization step. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated UPS with your Shopify store. This app will now help manage your shipping processes, providing you with the tools necessary to offer efficient delivery options to your customers. Feel free to explore its features further, ensuring you make the most out of this new addition to your store. Stay tuned for more tutorials and helpful tips on enhancing your Shopify store's capabilities.